The number one reason why you want to get into the recycling and reconditioned battery business, because one man's junk is another man's treasure. It's a cash cow business. Today we had a customer bring in 2 8D Trojans marine style batteries. Now we're gonna put these on a battery tester here and show you exactly what they're currently reading at. You see it's all green. Now on a battery tester, they're reading approximately 500 ccas a piece, but they rated on the manufacturer label at 1400 ccas. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna run these through our recondition process, which is the world's best recondition process. They retail online, let me show you here what they retail, approximately $1,200, as you see there, $1,173 a piece for these batteries. Now that don't even include shipping. Now in store, after we get through reconditioning these batteries, we're gonna sell them at $500 a piece with a 1-year warranty. Now for a customer, that's $700 savings. For a customer, it's a cash cow business, and for the environment, we save the environment every single day at Battery Guyz. And this is the reason why you want to get into the recycling and reconditioned battery business. One man's junk is another man's treasure.